Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jonathan with the Rideshare Panel, and today we're going to be talking about how to sign up for DoorDash. It's a great app for delivering meals to hungry people and making some extra money. So if you guys want to sign up, the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you get a referral code from someone else that is currently driving for DoorDash. I will leave mine below in the description so that you guys can get an extra 50 to 200 bucks after you start driving for DoorDash and you've delivered a minimum amount of deliveries. It's a great way to just earn a little bit of extra cash and pad those earnings. So check out the link in the description and sign up through that. And then once you click through the link, it'll take you straight to the DoorDash website, and then you can create an account there by giving your first name, your middle name, your last name, and then choosing a password for that account. Once you've gone ahead and created that account, you can then log in and you'll give a little bit more additional information like your driver's license info, the type of car or vehicle that you're going to be driving. That can also be like a bike or a scooter. And then you're going to want to give, you have to give actually a social security number so that they can run a background check and, kind of tell them when your insurance expires, just, some basic, real simple info that you got to enter. And then once you filled out all of that info, you can go ahead and apply to get your DoorDash kit, and you can either pick it up or they can send it to you. I just went ahead and had mine send it to me, so I entered my address info, and then they went ahead and sent that kit to me. It takes a few business days to get it, so mine actually took like 4, and I got it. Before I show you guys the activations kit that DoorDash sent me, let's take a look at the last little piece of the sign up process for DoorDash, and that is using DocuSign to kind of fill out your W-9 information, and that's so that you can get paid. If you've ever filled this out before, it's really easy to do, and it's basically the same information that you just kind of put in the process to sign up and get your background check done. So you can go ahead and fill that out through DocuSign. I'm not going to walk you through all of that step by step. And then once you've done that, you'll get a chance to kind of look at like a quick video of how DoorDash goes and a little explainer video. It's super simple, so you can buzz through this video real quick and then jump right into it. Honestly, it's a really easy process and there's not a whole lot to learn. So it's nice to kind of like get that intro, but don't worry too much about that part of it. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the kit that DoorDash sent me. It arrived yesterday, so I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. They sent it over to me, in that package. Ready, set, dash. That showed up on my doorstep, and then inside of there, I got this sweet DoorDash bag, and this is where I'm going to store all of the hot meals in, so that when I'm delivering them, they don't get cold, and people will, stay happy with me and give me great tips. And then they also give you this DoorDash red debit card, and so when you show up at a restaurant to pick up your meal, you can just charge it on that, and that makes it so that you don't have to be spending your own money on this, and you can keep everything separate with the meals that you're picking up. But with this kit, they also give you a little instruction list for getting started on DoorDash, and that kind of gives you the last info that you need in order to get out there and get on the road. So one of the things that you need to do is download the app for your phone, and they give you a link here. It's DoorDash.com/dasher-app, and you can go to that link, download the app for your phone. I got mine on my iPhone, and then you got to make sure that your phone trusts the app. So you go to general settings, and then you let's see, once you've hit the settings, you kind of just go to apps and then make sure that the app's trusted in your device. And then once you've done all of that, what you're going to have to do is set up the debit card. And this is kind of where I had a little bit of trouble, and I had to contact support. So the debit card right here, it has some information on it, as you can see. And there's what's supposed to be a 6-digit number right here after the word delight. And then, like a normal credit card number. And so once you've downloaded that app, you can go into your account and kind of click on the authorize your red card, and that's where you're going to want to enter some info on that card, and it asks you for that 6-digit number down here and also the last 4 digits up here. And so with mine, I actually received a 7-digit number, so when I enter that in on the app, it actually doesn't let me set up my account. So I had to kind of contact support, and I went back to this sheet right here, and down at the bottom where it says if you still need assistance, you can send an email to activationsspecialist@doordash.com. So I went ahead and sent them that email just to make sure that I can get my card authorized and start delivering. So you can go ahead and do that. And then you might also have to, in your account in the DoorDash app, you might also have to like update some stuff about your vehicle, tell them the make and model. And the interesting part about that is that it prompts you for that information in the app, and then it actually sends you to their website where you have to like fill out a form and kind of tell them, what type of vehicle you have and what the make and model of it is if it's a car. So you fill out that, and then you kind of have to just wait a while for DoorDash to get back to you and let you know that information's been updated, and in my case that my card's been activated. And then once you've done that, you can start kind of like scheduling dashes, and there's a couple different ways to do that. You can either choose blocks and kind of pre-schedule a time in your area, or you can kind of just wait for them to come through the feed. And I think the best way to kind of go about this is to schedule blocks. But I will let you know, kind of how that goes as soon as I've started driving and, got my first dash in. Right now, still waiting, for the, DoorDash specialist to get back to me. I sent him an email just about an hour ago, so, not expecting that turnaround time to be super quick. But, I will go ahead and update you guys as soon as I've started driving, give you a quick review of my first day and a review of how it goes. And, feel free to ask and reach out about any more information you need about signing up for DoorDash. And make sure to use my referral code in the link when you sign up.